Today we will walk through the process of disabling comments on a WordPress blog post in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner of the page where you will find a login option. Click on this login option to access your account. After clicking the login option, you will see multiple methods to sign in. For convenience, select the option labeled Continue with Google. Once you click this, a list of available Google accounts will appear. Choose the account associated with your WordPress site so that you can log in quickly and securely. Once you have successfully logged in, the next phase is to manage your categories. In your WordPress dashboard, there will be an option for categories. Navigate there to oversee your content organization if needed. Although this step might seem a bit different from disabling comments, it is part of the streamlined process for managing blog posts. With your categories in view, move on by clicking on the Post section in your dashboard. This area displays all the blog posts on your site, and it is the starting point for modifying several posts at once. You will now see a comprehensive list of your blog posts. Your goal is to select all the posts that you wish to update, so make sure to highlight every blog post that should have its comments disabled. After you have highlighted all of your blog posts, locate the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. This menu is essential as it provides you with several options to apply changes to multiple posts simultaneously. From the drop-down menu, select the option to edit. This choice will allow you to update settings for all the selected posts in one go. Once you have made your selection, a button labeled Apply will be available. Click on this button so the bulk edit options appear on the screen. You will see a new set of options designed to adjust several settings at once. Among the newly revealed options, one critical setting controls how comments are handled on your posts. In this section, you will have different choices regarding comments, and you should select the option that says Do Not Allow. This setting will ensure that no new comments can be made on the selected blog posts. Finally, to save the changes you have specified, simply click on Update. Your modifications will be applied immediately, and the blog post will now be set so that comments are disabled. This process is ideal for maintaining control over the discussion on your site and for reducing spam or unwanted feedback. This concludes the detailed guide on disabling comments on your WordPress blog posts. By following these instructions in the exact order, you can efficiently update your site's settings and protect your content. Enjoy the advantages of having a streamlined content management process on your WordPress site.